welcome back to today's edition. So today, guess what we are making? We are making this Nigerian popular, delicious, sumptuous breakfast we used to make for our fathers. You know how our fathers look up to this beautiful, amazing breakfast. Yes, that is the breakfast we are making this morning. And guess who is going to be doing this breakfast? Emanuela is going to be in this kitchen. Clap for her. Chef Emanuela will be in this kitchen. Small Madam. I'm going to be introducing Small Madam's kitchen to you guys in a minute. So on my table, I have some plantain. So guys, on my table, I have plantain. Plantain is the chief of the occasion, okay, for these very breakfasts. The next on my table is egg. So I have some eggs here, which is also used for this beautiful breakfast. You can skip egg if you don't want egg, but egg is also part of this beautiful breakfast. If you're a Nigerian, you know what I'm talking about, okay? Now I'll show you the oga of this very delicious breakfast recipe. The oga of this breakfast is pap. This is one of the chief of the occasion, like pap. Who doesn't know pap in Nigeria? Our fathers love this a lot. Daddies in the house, you know what I'm talking about, right? Yes, this is usually made for our fathers. First thing in the morning, you get all of this done, and voila, you have made them happy. So that is what we are going to be doing. I will show you exactly how to make pap. Emanuela will start with the plantain. She will show us how she usually cuts her plantain, and then she will make that delicious egg she used to make for us, the way she liked to make it for mommy and daddy, and you guys will see this girl in the kitchen today. Next here is our peppers. We have different shade of peppers, and then we have onion, which is one of the ingredients for this very recipe. So guys, stay tuned while we dive into this video. So guys, I'm introducing the chef for this beautiful recipe. Her name is Small Madam's Kitchen. So Small Madam's Kitchen is going to be showing us exactly how she does her egg and get this plantain ready in a minute. You guys stay tuned and enjoy. So guys, we've gone ahead to cut the plantain because we are not about to waste time. I'm going to be cutting the plantain into these sizes. You can choose to do it the other way around. Yeah, this was how we saw them cutting this plantain. So she's going to cut her peppers and her onion, and then we get started. All you need to do, guys, just put a little salt to this plantain and mix it now. My husband really don't like salt in his plantain, but you just want to add a little bit. It's a very simple breakfast recipe. Mix it nicely and just set it aside. So to this pot, I have some oil going on already. I'll allow it to preheat for about 10 minutes before we start frying. Make sure your oil is hot. Always make sure your plantain is ready, and make sure before you add your plantain to the pot or to the pot of oil, your oil should have been preheated. Okay, so here is my kettle for hot water. As the water is getting ready, we are going to fry the plantain, fry the egg before we make the pap. So always remember this: your plantain, your egg should be ready before you make your pap. But just go ahead, put your kettle on the stove, put some water in it, and make sure it boils very well before you make your pap. I'll show you how you're going to mix up, how to mix your pap to get the right consistency. Some people don't know this. like it. Ooh, I like it. You guys, so see my lady in the kitchen. Make the other one too brown, the other side. I love it. Look at this one. Look at that one. I just want it a little brown though. So guys, we have some plantain ready. This is the first set. It's out. It looks yummy. We have some more plantain.
You think that
this is good.
Should leave this one?
We can give your daddy some. Even though he said he doesn't want egg, but we can give him a little piece from this brown one.
Okay.
Turn off the stove.
Okay.
This one is ready. So we are waiting for plantain and then the beautiful decoration. So water is boiled though. So guys, this is the quantity I'm making. I just added like half cup of water. Can you see? So all you want to do is mix it in nicely. Make sure you mix it until everything is well incorporated. Make sure it doesn't have lumps. That way you won't have to see lumps after making the pap. So mix it until, you know, I'll show you the consistency. I've been to the store sometimes when people ask me how to make pap or how to make custard, that they like it. You know, especially when I go to the store to buy like custard. I've seen people ask me, how do you make that? So I tell them, just go to my channel. I have a couple of these on my channel, how to make pap, how to make custard. It's not a difficult thing. Just make sure your water boils nicely. Your water has to boil nicely. Yeah. Look at the consistency, guys. Just quickly grab my hot water like so. Add it like so. Make sure you just go around with your hot water. Go around with your hot water. Did you see that? That's all you need. I have to do this because of certain people who need to know how to make pap. We are going to dish now. Our food is ready. So I'm going to show you how you can enjoy this deliciousness. How you can serve it to your husband. And you will be appreciated. Children loves this a lot. This is one of the food we give to children back in Nigeria for breakfast. Children can take this even for lunch. There are children that took this morning, breakfast, night. If you are a Nigerian person, let me know. If you know what I'm talking about. Took this a lot. She took pap a lot. Akara, agidi, moi moi. She took this a lot. So I love pap a lot. My dad loves pap a lot. And I got married. My husband loves pap a lot. Anything pap, my husband loves it. So this is it. I'm going to show you how you can enjoy it. Stay tuned. Emanuela loves pap a lot. She had it a lot. So I want to help Emanuela bring this plantain out. I'll get this plantain out for her because she's setting the plates ready. This is so delicious, guys. You guys, see what's in my pikin cook. Very delicious. Imagine the combination. The plantain is even a lot. It was too much.
It's 7, right?
Hmm?
Yeah.
It's too much. If we don't finish it, it's okay. We'll keep it.
Yeah.
Maybe your favorite is here. Add some honey, guys. Just go ahead and add some honey. We are eating healthy. So you can either add honey if you like honey, or you add sugar if that is what you have. Baby, I made your favorite. My baby is ready. Hey, today is going to be wonderful, guys. After this kind of deliciousness. Woo, look at that. Look at that deliciousness for my darling hubby. So go ahead, add it to the bowl like so. This is good. Some milk, you can go ahead and add some milk if you like milk. You can decide not to. This is good. Woo, look at that. Just look at that for your husband. Just look at that. Like, God bless my husband for patience, for real. For patience. For always letting me show his food before he eats. Like, I'm so grateful to God for my darling husband. You guys, please, if you have watched this video to this point, go ahead and subscribe. And give me that thumbs up. Leave your beautiful comment as always. And God bless you. Do this for your husband and he will love you. Your children will love this. For real. Your daddy will love this. Your mommy will love this. Your grandpa will love this. Your grandma will love this. Thank you for staying with this team. I love you. Be kind. Be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video.